Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is FoodPH Atbp. Today, I'll be showing you a very quick and easy to do sauce recipe for dippings and dressings. However, I made some twists on this because I lack one basic ingredient which is often used in this type of sauce recipe. But nevertheless, this is real good. I can really vouch for this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you will always be updated with my daily uploads. So let's go over the ingredients that we will use. We need 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I use banana here, so I will not add any more sugar because this is sweet. The very base is mayo. Prepared 1/4 cup of this ingredient. Because we don't have any pickled relish, I made use of green olives diced into tiny bits, a teaspoon of pepper powder, and lastly, a dash of salt. To begin with, just prepare all the ingredients and combine all of it together and mix well. Make sure that you blend it well so you end up with this consistency and color. I made use of these dips for my French fries. You can also use this to drizzle over green salads. You may add a tablespoon of evaporated milk for thin consistency. And that's it for today. Hope you learned something from this vlog. Until next time, keep safe, keep healthy, and have a good day. Bye everybody!